Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Fundamental Finances, and today we're diving into something exciting, how to start a business with $0. That's right, zero. Nada. Zilch. No loans, no investors, no fancy equipment. Just your time, your skills, and a plan. Whether you're in college, working 9 to 5, or just trying to break free, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Before anything else, shift your mindset. You don't need money to start. You need resourcefulness. Ask yourself, what can I offer right now? Think time, skills, effort, not capital. Be an action taker, not a money waiter. Step 2. Choose a service-based business. Why service-based? Because they're cheap to start, no inventory, no upfront costs. Here are a few ideas anyone can start with $0. Freelance writing or graphic design. Social media management. Virtual assistant. Tutoring or online coaching. Pet sitting or dog walking. House cleaning or lawn care. Start with what you know or what you can quickly learn. Step 3. Use free tools to learn and work. You don't need to spend a dime to learn or start offering your services. Use free platforms like for design, ChatGPT for writing help and brainstorming, Google Docs Sheets organization, Trello or Notion project management, LinkedIn Learning YouTube free tutorials. There's never been a better time to start for free. Everything you need is already online. Step 4. Offer your services. Here's how to get your first client with $0. 1. Tell your network. Make a post on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Tell people what you're offering and that you're open for business. Join online communities, Facebook groups, Reddit, local forums. Offer value first. 3. Create a free profile on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Don't wait for perfect branding. Just start. Quick tip, offer a discounted or free first job in exchange for a testimonial, basically a review. Social proof is gold. Step 5. Build credibility with free tools. Next, make yourself look professional. Again, for free. Use Card or Google Sites to make a one-page portfolio. Create a logo with Canva. Collect testimonials from happy clients. Set up a free Calendly to schedule calls. Perception value. Present yourself like a pro. Step 6. Scale with systems. Once you've got a few clients, it's time to get organized and scale. Use Notion or Trello to manage tasks. Create email templates for onboarding. Use Google Calendar for scheduling. Set up a free CRM like HubSpot. Time is your currency. Treat it like cash. Don't just hustle harder. Hustle smarter. Step 7. Reinvest strategically. As you start earning, reinvest. Even just $20 can go toward a domain name, yourbusiness.com. Paid tools to save time, like Canva Pro or a scheduling app. Online courses to improve your skill. Your first dollars shouldn't go to buying gear, they should go to growing value. So there you have it. Starting a business with $0 is not just possible, it's proven. I've done it, others have done it, and now it's your turn. Hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more zero-budget business tips. In the comments, tell me, what business idea are you starting with now? Thanks for watching. Now stop scrolling and go start something. You've got this.